In many ways, meditation is one of the most difficult things to teach while simultaneously being one of the simplest practices there is. I mean, it's our natural state of being. It's difficult to teach because it's not taught in a linear fashion the same way that you would teach someone how to bake a cake or change their oil. You know, trying to give instructions to meditate is similar to trying to give someone instructions to somewhere that they already are. It would be like if you approached me in a train station and you asked me how to get to the train station. I might say, well, go out the door, walk down the street, turn 180 degrees and, come back in the same door you went out. Meditation can only be understood through experience. Any sort of definition that I give you of what meditation is isn't going to help you really understand it. You must experience it firsthand. So this course is going to be more focused on experiencing meditation for yourself rather than just learning about meditation. So with that said, it does help to look at some definitions to give us a place to start. And there are many. To some people, meditation means contemplation or reflection. This is not the type of meditation we're going to be discussing in this course. Some other definitions of meditation are things like thoughtless awareness, relaxing the mind, single-pointed focus of attention, emptying or clearing the mind, and there are many more. And although there are many definitions of meditation, there is really an experience that is common to all practices. So this course is going to approach meditation in its most basic form and focus on that common experience. There's no one correct definition, okay? It can be all of the things that we talked about. The one common factor in all definitions is full attention in the present moment. This could be attention to what's happening in the external world or the internal world of thoughts and feelings. So we're going to use that as our working definition as we go through the rest of this course. So now that we have a basic definition for what meditation is, let's look at some of the benefits in the next video.